YouTube, Eric DIY here with another great review for you. Tonight we're reviewing the TBI Pro portable Bluetooth speakers. It's the Bang X7 wireless speaker model. I've tested this unit for a couple days now and it's been excellent. It is totally waterproof. I put it through its paces while I was taking a shower, using it as a Bluetooth bathroom shower speaker, and it worked great. But anyways, we're going to show you what comes with it. It comes with the speaker itself, which has a subwoofer in the back. It also charges itself with the charging port right here. It has a USB 5-volt out so that you can actually charge devices with it, and it has an auxiliary in so that you can just put it in there manually with the cable and have it blast music out of it. It's pretty loud. It comes in at 20 watts, 10 watts per speaker. All the controls are on top. You have your power on, power off button, so we just hold it down. And then you'll see that it has a blue light flashing, looking to connect to Bluetooth. It might connect to my phone, which it just did. Play and pause buttons and minus and plus to forward tracks or go back in tracks. It comes with a wonderful carrying case. This is one of the few Bluetooth speakers where it actually comes with a carrying case that's actually pretty nice. And it comes with all these cables. It comes with a USB charging cable, and you can put it in the case that comes with it. It also comes with an auxiliary cable, so that way you can connect through a cable. Finally, it comes with a little tie, but that's a lanyard, so that you can put it right through this part right here, so you can carry it and tie it to things. So I'm not going to use this so much, but it's nice to see that they include that. Then the speaker itself fits right into this wonderful whole pack right here. This wonderful zipper. And again, it has a handle that you can attach to bags if you're on the go. So the speaker itself is just screaming quality, along with the nice case that they give you. So let's see how it sounds. When you first go to set up the TBI Pro Bang X7 speaker, you want to turn it on. It'll have a flashing blue light. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. And that shows you that it's ready to pair. You're going to go into whatever musical device you want to use. I use my cell phone. And you're going to go into the Bluetooth settings. It's going to search for it. Right there it says Bang X7, so we just click on that, and it's just going to pair right to the unit. It says pair, and there you go. And you know it's connected when it has a solid blue light right there. So, all right, let's play some music through this thing, shall we? So I'm going to go for a little 6 a.m. rock band I'm particularly fond of here. And it's already connected through Bluetooth, so we just put it play. And as you can see, it's pretty loud, so it does a nice job. If you want to lower the volume, you can see that when I push this in steps. It doesn't show anything on the phone, but it is lower in volume, so I'll push play. And you can see that it went way down low and can go all the way to 0. And now we'll increase it. So when it's playing, it does show on this. That's some power for a little speaker. These speakers can give out quite the oomph. With the subwoofer in the back, you know, I mean, it gives pretty good bass response. It's not going to be like in replacing a big time stereo anytime soon, but it does a nice job for a portable speaker. And it is totally waterproof, like I said. I've had it in the shower, and I've sprayed it all over, so it does a nice job, and it keeps working, as you can see. The controls on top can also control what you do. So if you're away from your phone, you're in the pool or something, you can just push play here. Lower the volume if you like. You got pause and play right there. And finally, you have the power on off button. You just hold it down and it'll shut down. If you want it to power back on, you just hold it down again. And it should automatically pair with whatever devices you've already paired it with. There you go. That little down was that it paired, and it's ready to play. Solid blue light. Something I cannot show you about the TBI Pro is that this M button, you could pair, if you have two of these, you could pair one speaker to be a left channel and then the speaker to be a right. There's a whole thing in the instructions that come with it that tell you how to pair it that way. It's rated at 24 hours of battery at full charge, 20 watts, and it's totally waterproof. So overall, it's a very nice speaker to have. I do see myself using it for a while around the house and stuff like that, at the beach. Again, it's totally waterproof, which makes it a big deal for me. I love using it in the shower in the mornings and get my news. I can play some music and do whatever I want on it. So it is a great wireless speaker. Pros and cons about the TBI Pro Bang X7 wireless speaker. First off, pros. Totally waterproof. Love that. Use it in the shower. Wonderful speaker to use in the shower. I didn't want one of those cheap one speaker, not very loud speakers for the shower. So this one does the job. I like that. It's easily charged through USB through the port here, and that it has also an output. So if you're stuck and you really need to charge your phone or something, I don't know if it's going to charge fast. I wouldn't think it would, but you have that option. Again, the aux in is always nice to have, just to have an option if you don't want to do Bluetooth. Design and quality. I've dropped this thing twice, and you can see that it hasn't suffered any dents or anything like that. This nice rubberized texture is very nice to have. All the controls seem to work, and honestly, it's a fully functional speaker. It's very, very nice to see. Cons about the TBI Pro Bang X7. I just say the only con, and it's not a huge one, is that sometimes it's hard to change between the volume and tracks. If you hold minus and down, it's supposed to go to the previous track. Sometimes it just does the volume. If you hold down the plus, it's supposed to go to the next track. Honestly, it took me a while to get used to it. After you get used to it, it definitely works. But that's about the only con I could see in this, other than, hey, can we get more watts out of the speaker? Which you can't do. It's small and portable. But as you see, it does quite a kick for being such a small speaker. The bass response is really good. So I gotta be honest with you, I'm really happy with this TBI Pro Bang X7 wireless speaker, and I've actually reviewed a lot of these and owned a lot of these over time. So good job, TBI Pro. If you like to purchase the TBI Pro Bang X7 portable Bluetooth speaker, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon. We can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all your support. Thank you and have a great night. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.